Welcome to Joe's Kitchen. Merry Christmas and welcome to my home. I am happy to say that family is on its way over now for Christmas dinner, and I have prepared several things to serve today. Anyway, I'm looking forward to a blessed day, and I pray that each and every one that's listening to this is having a great Christmas also. And if you're not, pray about it. Talk to you soon. These are chicken nuggets. I didn't have the fried chicken wings like I normally, but I ended up with nuggets. So our deviled eggs, stuffing, salad, potato salad, string beans, gravy, turkey,